Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Lafayette Street runs through the heart of downtown Baton Rouge, connecting key government buildings, business districts, and cultural spaces. It was named in honor of the Marquis de Lafayette, a French hero of the American Revolutionary War, who visited Louisiana during his grand tour in the year 1825. The street represents Baton Rouge's long-standing ties to both French heritage and American history. Over time, Lafayette Street developed alongside the growth of the state capital, with office buildings, legal firms, and civic institutions shaping its modern identity. As Baton Rouge expanded during the 20th century, the downtown area saw new construction that blended mid-century architecture with older historic structures. Today, Lafayette Street offers a mix of government offices, local businesses, and walkable urban spaces, giving visitors a sense of the city's civic life and its evolving downtown landscape. Baton Rouge itself is one of the oldest cities on the Mississippi River, with roots reaching back to the early 18th century. Its name comes from a red marker pole used by indigenous tribes to mark territorial boundaries, a reminder that this land held meaning long before European settlement. Over time, Baton Rouge passed through French, British, Spanish, and American control, each leaving an imprint on the city's culture and governance. Its position on a bluff above the Mississippi made it strategically valuable, especially during conflicts like the Civil War, when control of the river meant control of trade and movement.
Thanks for watching!